Hello everyone. I am Dr. Pranit Sonamne, practicing as a joint replacement and arthroscopy surgeon at Knee Hip Shoulder Clinic, Old Gangapur Naka, Nasik. In this talk, I will be mainly speaking on advanced and latest techniques which are available in knee replacement surgery and the benefits which patient gets from this latest advanced technique in knee replacement surgery. So when the patient is suffering from grade 3 or 4 knee arthritis, the patient is mainly having knee pain, patient complains of deformity in the knee, there is reduced motion, patient is unable to walk, and most importantly, quality of life is impaired, and this kind of symptoms cannot be treated by medication alone. So this kind of deformity which is seen on the left of your screen is present in severe arthritis. So knee replacement is ideal when the quality of life is severely affected, when there is daily pain, when there is restriction of ordinary activities, and medications are not giving any pain relief. Benefits of knee replacements are: there is instant pain relief, there is instant restoration of normal limb alignment, and the functional range of motion is restored as well. So now I will be speaking on the advanced and latest techniques used by me in knee replacement surgery. So in the old method or the traditional method, the knee replacement was performed using a medial parapatellar approach, which involves cutting of the important knee muscle, that is vastus muscle, to expose the knee joint, which used to result in weakness, pain and bleeding post-operatively, and scarring as well, which used to decrease the range of motion of the patient. So what I use is this new subvastus approach, which involves exposing the knee joint for replacement surgery without cutting the knee muscle or without cutting the vastus muscle. In this approach, the plane between the or plane beneath the vastus muscle is used. By blunt dissection, the intact muscle is just reflected away in this fashion, as you can see in this figure. And after reflecting the vastus muscle in an intact manner away from the knee, the replacement surgery can be performed. So due to keeping this muscle intact, muscle strength is maintained, there is no pain, there is no bleeding, and it helps in very fast rehabilitation of the patient. So after the knee joint is exposed, the steps which I perform for knee replacement surgery will be shown in this animation. So as you can see, the worn off cartilage in case of arthritis is a cause of pain. So knee replacement is nothing but just removing this arthritic or damaged cartilage layer and replacing it with a femoral and tibial component. So with the help of jig, the distal femoral cut is taken. Then again, with the help of a precise jig, the anterior and posterior and the chamfer cuts are taken, which gives you a fully prepared femur for implantation. Similarly, the damaged cartilage part from the tibia is removed using a jig and saw. Balancing is performed, the knee is made straight using or releasing the collateral ligaments, and after balancing, the trial implants are inserted for appropriate sizing and balancing. Similarly, resurfacing of the patella is done, and again the range of motion and stability is rechecked. After finalizing the implant size, the final tibial component is placed after applying a cement to the proximal tibia and the final tibial base plate. Similarly, the cement is applied on the femur as well as the femoral component, and the final femoral component is placed. After rechecking the flexion and extension gap, that is balance, and performing the resurfacing of the patella, the appropriate size polyethylene tibial insert is inserted in this manner, and this completes the knee replacement surgery. So this is one of my patient was having a severe knee arthritis, as you can see. So you can make out no medications gonna help this patient. So I did a knee replacement surgery, and as you can see the post-operative X-ray, the knee is very well balanced. This is the clinical image of the same patient was having a deformity in the knee, which was corrected after the knee replacement surgery. So thank you everyone, and any queries, any information you want regarding knee replacement or hip replacement,